Uy, Nico!
Uy, di ka naman papasok. Oh, Ate Margie. Tulungan na kita dyan. Halika na.
Batang to talaga? Nakalimutin kasi yun.
Hoy! Kanino pa ako sinusundan ha? Stalker ka ba? Stalker ka, no? What? Anong what? Huwag mo ko ma-what ha? You know what? Shh! Huwag ka nagpaliwanag. Diyan ka lang ha?
Nakakisas yung lalaki ron eh. Sunod na sunod sa akin. Akala mo sino gwapo. Buti kong pogi siya eh. Okay lang. Uy, mabalita ko may bagong tenant ngayon ah.
Pala yung anak ko, si Nico. Bait yun, pero bumibili. Ken, dalhin mo nga ito sa taas.
Ayos ba ito?
Bigay mo lang dun ha. Sige, thank you. Ay, sandali lang ha. Kasagutin ko lang to. Pwede mo ba ibigay ito kay Nico pagbaba niya? Wait lang ha.
Hey, your lunch. Uy, pauwi ka na? Okay. Yup. Pauwi na rin kasi ako eh. Sorry pala about last time. Hindi ko alam kasi nito pala yung bago lipat eh. Ganito na lang. Libre na lang kita.
No, you don't have to. About last time, kalimutan mo na yun ha. Kasalanan ko rin naman, hindi ako nagpakilala.
Okay. Sabi niya na.
Uy, nakuha mo ba yung lunchbox na iniwan ko? Oo, sabi ko naman sa'yo, di na kailangan nun. Ano ba to? Peace offering nga eh. Anyways, nabalita ko pala na bago ka lang pala dito sa Manila. Yeah, I'm actually from Cebu. Oh, awesome. Do you want me to turn you around? Sure, why not? Sige.
Ano, tara?
Tara.
Ayun, anong gusto ko? Magnum Cornetto. Magnum, mahal ma.
Ba't ka ba napadpad dito sa important matters?
Hanggang kailan ka dito?
Oh, wait lang.
I miss playing chess with Kuya. Should I call him?
Yes.
Hi Kuya, how are you now?
Hi Kuya, we miss you Kuya.
I'm doing fine. Kayo ba? How's mom?
Yeah, we're good naman. Mom is eating right now.
Kuya, kailan ka ba susunod dito?
I miss you too, guys. Pero we've already talked about this, diba? Sige na, I have to go.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye.
No, I love you back. Siguro may na-I-love you ka na ng iba.
Fine,
Kuya.
fine.
Di mo na ba kami love?
Love you too.
Bye.
Let's go na.
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ.
Does anyone know taxation or if quality? Anyone? Delos Reyes. Delos Reyes. Reyes. Sir. Anyways, class dismissed.
What happened to you, my friend?
Oo nga, ano ba yung isip mo?
Wala. Ito ka siguro.
Do you know where is this? What do you call it?
Antipolo. Bakit?
Wala lang. Yung vibes kasi dun parang ang ganda eh.
Ganda nga yun.
Nito. May gagawin ka ba? Wala naman ba?
You wanna come with me? Saan? Ipalit ka na. Sige.
Doon sa tema naman. Kung narinig ko. Tapos tumatawa doon. Natawa na ba tayo?
Hi, ma.
Bago dress ko yan kasi na.
Ma, ano ba?
Biro lang. Kaya sa bago mag-ibig na.
Basta ma, gagabihin kami ha.
Sige na nga. May ha?
Opo, bye.
It's what I told you about last night, di ba?
I mean, that's why we're here.
It's better than what I imagined.
Tara, order na tayo.
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
I just wanna thank you for my everyday lunch. You know, you remind me of my mother. She prepares everything for me. And even though na magkalayo kami ngayon, feel ko magkasama pa rin kami.
And I thank you for that. Also, I want to thank you for bringing me to the beautiful places here in Manila. And thank you for being with me all throughout. Okay naman, nakaka-nosebleed naman yun. Sorry. Anyways, tomorrow I'm going to... Sorry, I'll take this.
Kuya, are you ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, kuya. See you. Suduin ka namin, ah.
Okay. See you. Bye. My sisters. Oh. It's getting late. Let's go.
Thanks for the company. We had a great time.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for inviting me.
See you around.
Yeah, sure. Take care.
Bye.
I don't know how to tell Nico that I'll be leaving soon. He seems so happy right now. And I don't want to ruin that. But I can't keep it from him either. The thought of leaving him behind hurts more than I expected. I will miss him so much.
This day could have been any better. I'm so glad I got to hang out with Arlo. He's really fun to be around, and honestly, I can't wait to hang out with him again.
Arlo? Nag-iwan ako ng food, ah. Kumain ka na lang.
Oh, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Iwan na po ako ng food para po kay Arlo.
Kay Arlo? Umalis na siya.
Ha? Kailan?
Kahapon. Hindi pa niya nasabi sa'yo. Hindi niya naman binanggit kung saan, pero... Hindi nagpaalam sa'yo.
Hindi po.
Kayo lagi magkasama nang hindi nasabi sa'yo.
Hindi po pala, ha? Pasok na po ako.
Mag-iingat ka.
Sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli.